Hey everybody, we had some questions today about how to upload a profile picture for Blackboard Class Connect. So I figured I would show you today, and I want to make some videos showing you guys how to do these things so that you can do them on your own even if I am not there to help you. So these should all be on my website and here on the YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here to where it says edit. All right, so you're going to go to edit at the top and you come all the way down here to preferences. And then you'll have this box pop up. All right. So for preferences, if you scroll down, you'll see where it says my profile, right? My profile. And then there might be a blank box here, or there might be a picture here. We have a couple people with picture. But what you're going to do is you're just going to click change, and then you can pick a picture to put up there. So if I wanted to change my picture, I could come up here and I could change it to any of these pictures. But so if you notice, when I first log in, I don't see any pictures because of the file type down here is .gif. But if I want to look for JPEG files, I could change that, and I would see that I do have some JPEG files. Or if I wasn't sure what my file extension was, I could just click image files and it would show me all of my image files that I could choose from. So I will click Profile Lauren, and I believe that this is the picture that I'm already using. Click Open, and then it's going to tell me it's too large. Do I want to rescale it? Yes, you can rescale that down. So click OK, and yes, so that's the picture I'm already using, so that's why I didn't change. But after that, I will click Apply, and that'll change it, and then I can click Close. And your profile picture, unless there's some funny update online, should stay like that as long as you're logged in from your computer on your account. I haven't had it change on me at all, but we'll see. All right, so hopefully that helped, and hopefully I see a wonderful class full of profile pictures next time I log in. All right, I will see you later. Bye.